While the last defenders of the steel plant Azovstal surrendering to Russian soldiers in Mariupol are being celebrated in Russia as a great victory for the Russian army, let's see, is it really so? Ukrainian soldiers who heroically defended the besieged Mariupol tied up 20,000 Russian soldiers for almost 3 months. These Russian formations could not take part on other fronts in southern Ukraine, and so the defenders of Mariupol saved Zaporozhye and even Odessa. The Russians stopped near Kherson and had no strength left, which means that the sacrifice of the Ukrainian defenders from Mariupol played a huge role in stopping the initial Russian invasion. On other fronts in eastern Ukraine, Russian forces have made only minimal progress, while the Russians have definitely lost the area around Kharkiv. The Ukrainians continue with constant counterattacks that disrupt Russia's offensive strategy. If the Ukrainians in the first phase of the war acted mostly through drones and anti-tank missiles, it is now obvious that the Ukrainians use artillery the most, and this is where the new M777 howitzers that the country received from the United States come to the fore. Let's see the latest video update. This is a Russian BMP that apparently struck an anti-tank mine driving by another damaged vehicle. Artillery strikes by Ukraine's 45th Artillery Brigade on a Russian ammunition storage site. Ukrainian artillery targeted a Russian R-330ZH Zhital electronic warfare system. This is captured Russian T-72B3 tank. Footage from Ukraine's 25th Airborne Brigade of artillery strikes on Russian troops in a trench and a Russian BMP. Also possible use of variable time fuses. This is a captured Russian T-98 tank being pulled by a Ukrainian tank. Ukrainian artillery strikes reportedly on Russian Buk air defense systems. This is a strike on a Russian BMP-1 by Ukraine's 25th Airborne Brigade. Video of artillery strikes from Ukraine's 59th Motorized Brigade on Russian dug-in positions, including a T-72B3 tank and Strela 10. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week at did 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.